How to draw in 2-point perspective. Okay, so in the last video, I did explain how to draw in 1-point perspective, so feel free to check out that video. In this video today, we're gonna go over 2-point perspective this time. Like I said in the last video, this is a more general video. I'm not gonna be going over Photoshop itself. This video is meant to show you how to apply 2-point perspective in any platform, whether digital or on paper. I'm not gonna be going over Photoshop, the program itself. You can follow along with the video, but I suggest just watching the video, learn how to do 2-point perspective, and then you make a drawing on your own. We're gonna start with the horizon line. Like I mentioned in the last video, you wanna start with the horizon line. The line is the natural point of perspective, so anything below the horizon line, you can see the top of an object, and anything above, you can see the bottom. So draw the horizon line across your page in whatever way you see fit, like how I did in this video. So now we're gonna draw our vanishing point. The vanishing point makes things appear furthest from the viewer. It's the position where all receding lines meet. This is gonna make your drawings look 3D. Remember, unlike the first video, we're gonna draw 2 instead of 1. If you're on paper, you don't have to draw all these lines you see on my Photoshop program. You can just simply align your object to the vanishing point. Notice how all these lines cross their opposite vanishing point. You want to make sure your drawings are perfectly aligned. I recommend when you're starting to draw in perspective to start with cubes, like how I'm doing in this video. Honestly, for a beginner, once you've got your 3D objects aligned with the vanishing point, you can stop with the drawing if you're satisfied. But if you want to go ahead and add shading like how I am here, then feel free. You gotta remember, this is a beginner video. Don't expect yourself to have the best drawing with the most detail. It takes practice and multiple attempts. And that concludes our video. Please like and subscribe and check out my other socials. I do other things other than tutorials. I also do drawings and illustrations. So please check out my other channels. It would be gladly appreciated. And I'll see you in the next video.